So this is our Swiss franc JPY. Now let's see what Swiss franc JPY will be giving us for the day. So before we start, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button and click on also the bell notification. So once we drop an update, instantly you will get the updates and you will not miss out on it. Now, if you take a look at this Swiss franc JPY on our daily time frame, we can clearly see that Swiss franc JPY is definitely in an uptrend move. So basically, most of all our JPY pairs, they are in an uptrend move. One of the reasons why we are having such a massive bullish move is that JPY is falling, right? JPY is literally falling. So this is one of the reasons why any trade to your JPY is literally in an uptrend move, right? Especially for position traders, this kind of movement is good for position traders, right? Now we would want to see what markets will be doing for the day. So we would start with this movement, right? For quick analysis, we will say this to be our high on Swiss franc JPY. Then when we add this high, market did a new an higher low, right, which eventually pushed up again to form a new high. You can see that this new high took out this previous high, right? It formed a new high. So when market formed a new high, right, the next thing market did was to form another higher low, which is this here. So now that we've gotten this higher low, is this market was ranging within this level, right? If you are to zoom it in, especially on your forward time frame, you see that market once ranged within this level. When market pushed out to break above, the market came back to retest it, right? Came back to retest our previous resistance. The break and retest. So when market retested it, it pushed up and we had this new high. So this is one of the reasons why we had this bullish move. So within this level, within our forward time frame, there was a pullback, and now that we've got the pullback, we are expecting market to push up again to form a new high. So basically, that is to tell you that for the day, which is Wednesday, we are expecting Swiss franc JPY to open and close bullish. That is our next movement. Now we are still anticipating for a more bullish move. Now this is the forward time frame. I tell you guys that this is the pullback that was made. So we've gotten this pullback. So our next movement on Swiss franc JPY is another bullish move that will eventually take out this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high. So another movement to the upside is what we are expecting on Swiss franc JPY. Could there be any changes to this movement? Absolutely yes. But if there will be any, I'll make sure I let you guys know. All you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any updates.